Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
We're ready to hit the road.
I'm ready.
We're leaving Arizona.
Bye, Arizona. We'll be back.
Kind of sad.
It is. But I'm excited for what's ahead.
Yeah.
That's the main thing.
All right, so this is going to be kind of a tight squeeze since we're double towing, pulling out. So I'm going to back the truck in at an angle kind of like a 45 this way so that I can pull out wide and carry it this way. That makes sense?
Yes.
Okay.
Absolutely.
All right.
Let's do this.
We'll give it a try.
3, 2, 1, action.
Be in the left lane, then turn left on New Mexico 344 North.
All right.
In 1/2 mile,
Look for
arrive
the
at
truck entrance.
66 State Road 344 on the right.
Turn right at the light, maybe?
Yeah. See any RVs in here? I see trucks though over there.
Truck's no right turn. Okay. Come back out then. Truck route straight ahead. So all the trucks are over here, huh?
That's me.
Hmm.
It's kind of short, isn't it?
It is kind of short. I don't see anything any longer except no light pole on the one next door.
Yeah.
Let me turn around again. Come back.
Sure.
I don't know. What do you think? Should we go back where those trucks are and try to find a spot back there?
Yeah, let's go over there where the trucks are and see if we can find a spot. Because I don't. This would be perfect though, because we're out of everybody's way. But man, we're so freaking long.
They're all kind of the same size. Kind of out of options here, sweetie. I'm trying to figure out what to do and I'm running out of ideas. You want to just keep going and see what we can find?
Yeah, we can. Come on. I mean, I'm fine.
Okay. You want to pull out RV Parky and see what's up the road?
Well, we found a spot. We were going to stay at Walmart, and that didn't turn out the way we planned. So now we're here.
It's chilly.
It is. The wind's blowing. And I can't keep this camera straight. So, it was $26, full hookups. Not a bad place for the night.
Okay.
We're expecting a little wind today.
Reporting to you. Holy cow! Reporting to you from just east of Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Good morning, America!
Oh my gosh, we rocked and rolled all night. We're supposed to have high winds today, 35 to 45 with gusts to 65. But I think it's going to be a tailwind, so we got to get on down the road. Woo!
Oh my Lord.
All right, we're headed to Oklahoma. Alicia, have some coffee on. Here we come. Model up, we got room for all of you.
Yeah, but you don't even have to go home. You got everything right there, don't you, bud?
This is home, brother.
Good for you. It looks nice. I like it.
Thank you very much.
How in the hell do you get that little door up there on that back?
It's a smart car. We just tell it to go up.
You got ramps, don't you?
Yes, sir.
It looks nice, bud.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
It is. That's got to be the best setup I've seen in a long time. The green blue Volvo you got if you want. Got an off-road toy. They got their car. They got their truck. They got their home. Shit, what else you need? I'm trying to train a wife if anybody's looking for one. I'll take that truck for sure. You know what? It's a little bit of money you've got invested there, but still, you know, it's a hell of a lot cheaper to have that, and you can move around and go where you want. You don't have all the damn land taxes and property tax, all the BS. You ain't kidding though, that is a nice setup.
How about you, Aaron?
Yeah, that's them.
Hey, Jones into travel. Hit the horn there, brother. Good to see you guys. You be safe.
Yeah, you too. Sorry you couldn't meet up. Watch out, you got like 3 dead armadillos and 2 dust storms, and then you'll be at Elk City.
Okay, thanks, brother. You're going to have a headwind all the way to ABQ.
Awesome.
I miss them.
You guys drive safe. We'll see you soon.
last one here.
I'm always the last one. Look who we found!
Oh, how are you? Good. Well, we made it to Rolling Retreats.
Yay!
And got to see Alicia.
Yay!
Yay! We love it here.
Yeah, so this video was a little different than what we normally would show you. Normally we wouldn't show you the dash cam with audio, but we wanted to kind of give you... Full-time RVing is not all unicorns and roses, right?
Oh, yes, it's not. It's, yeah. Sometimes we're in situations where we're like, we're not going to fit.
Right.
And usually Walmart parking is not one of the places that we don't normally fit.
Right.
And we didn't fit in there, so we had to go to plan B.
We did.
Which is why you need your plan set in Jello.
Yeah.
Because it's not going to always be perfect.
We didn't get upset, we didn't get irritated.
Yeah.
It's like, okay, we don't fit, so what do? Okay, put our heads together. Kelly jumps on one of our favorite apps, RV Parky. She starts looking down the road. What do we got coming up? Rest areas? Do we got more Walmarts? Do we have campgrounds, RV parks? What what do we got coming?
Yeah. And we found a place called Klein's Corner.
Yeah.
And $26 with including
With tax. Yeah.
I mean, you can't beat that.
Yeah, full hookups. We're glad we had it, by the way, because it got down to 30 that night. And our furnace actually gave up the ghost. So
It was not a happy thing.
no, so we ended up running the electric fireplace all night trying to keep us warm. So that was kind of a bonus.
And we survived.
Yeah, we did. And we got the furnace fixed now that we're here at Rolling Retreats. It's done. It's fixed.
Yeah, it was perfect.
Yep.
Perfect timing.
The blower cage kind of exploded within itself, and for some unknown reason, I don't know. And so anyway, it's fixed. We got a furnace back, so we're good.
And it doesn't make noises anymore.
Yep. Yep. So we are here at Rolling Retreats, and we are in their new interior, their new 41-foot rear kitchen model with a bath and a half.
It's nice.
It's pretty.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I could live in this place.
It's really
beautiful.
a nice coach.
It's roomy and
Yep.
love it.
Yep.
Colors are amazing.
Yep. It's
So excited for
very
this.
well done. DRV's done a really good job on their new interiors.
Oh, beautiful, you guys. It's beautiful.
So we got here, we've been hanging out with Alicia for a couple of days, and we got our paperwork hopefully done and finished and complete, and everybody's on the same page, even though we got a little bit of a delay.
Yeah,
So,
but that happens.
but she says we're good to go, and so now we can maybe share our new floor plan design with you, at least on paper.
Yeah,
So,
that's all we have.
yeah, we can kind of explain to you what we got going on. There's quite a floor plan design change from the original MX450, and so we can share that here the next week or two. So we're here with Alicia. We leave here shortly to go down to North Texas and hang out with our daughter and her family for Thanksgiving. We're really excited to see the grandkids again, and our daughter and her husband and their extended family in that North Texas area.
yeah.
So that'll be a lot of fun. And then we're coming back here, and we're gonna camp out Alicia's doorstep until she either throws us out or our new coach gets here.
And she'd never throw us out. She likes
I hope
us.
not. But this place is like family. So if you ever have an opportunity to come stop in here, it's like family. Everybody seems to get along pretty well with one another, and everybody just is very jovial. It's a happy place. Alicia makes it a happy place, and it's just a lot of fun.
We look forward to be able to come and visit them.
Yeah.
Every time.
I mean, Alicia even made us lunch today, for goodness sakes.
I know.
She texted us and said, "Hey, we got salad and what else?" She had hard-boiled,
deviled eggs and burritos,
Yeah.
and she's amazing.
and she just,
she's a lover.
Your
She
family.
loves people.
Your family when you come here. That's the cool thing about this place. That's
Yeah.
what we really enjoy about this place is
Absolutely.
your family.
Absolutely.
All right, so we are, if you like what you see back here, we're going to show you more of this 41 rear kitchen. Man, it's a really pretty coach.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's got all the new interior colors. It's got the bath and a half. It's really, really a nice coach. And we asked Alicia, actually she asked us if we'd be interested in doing a walkthrough on it.
Yeah.
And I think we're going to do that here when we come back.
Yeah, and I think I might take some of their decorations and put it in mine. Shh, don't tell her. Don't tell her, but I'm thinking she has the best taste in decorating and everything, and I have none.
Yeah.
I have issues. But oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to get some ideas and decorate our place for Christmas.
So thanks for hanging out with us again, guys. For you new subscribers, welcome to the community.
Welcome.
This is an awesome community. That
It
Our
is.
Village group, by the way, if you don't know what Our Village is, we've got a link down below. But our Village group is growing, not in leaps and bounds, but a few every day, and
Absolutely.
it's really starting to grow. We're starting to see some interaction between some of you, and
that's what we want.
yeah.
We want that community.
Yeah, we want a big happy family, community family.
Yeah, help each other out,
Right.
questions and stuff. So.
And meet each other on the road, be able to meet up while you're on the road and hang out and at least say hello. So we're just so excited, and thanks for coming along on our Village group. It's been a lot of fun to see where everybody's at. Like I say, you can click on that map and see where everybody is.
Yeah.
So welcome to the new subscribers, as I said before, and if you don't know about the Our Village, take a look at our link down below, and it'll give you instructions on how to get there and how to get to our Village group.
And if you have any questions about it, email us.
Yep.
We'll be happy to help you get through it.
Yep. And also, thank you for our current subscribers. You guys, I can't thank you enough. I mean, really. I go through, my workday starts at about 6 a.m. every day. I say workday, my YouTube day. And I go through all of the emails and I go through all of the comments each and every morning. And you guys are just so positive, and we are so blessed.
Funny.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we are so blessed to have you guys hang out with us. So we really do appreciate it, and we think of all of you, this community, as a family too. So this has just been a lot of fun for us. Yeah, we've made some really good, long-lasting friendships, and
absolutely.
and we've got a lot more coming.
I know, it's exciting.
All right, so we're going to wrap this up from Elk City, Oklahoma, Rolling Retreats RV.
It all starts with an idea.
Thanks for coming along, guys. We'll talk to you next week. Bye-bye.
Bye.